5 a.m. February 13. I was in my bed when I start hearing this tuk 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 tuk, like train like noise. It's an excavator moving. It's an excavator moving right there. It's now behind the trees. I was trying to sleep again. I don't know, third or fourth time. Then we have pipe banging noise. You can hear that excavator moving around with metal trucks. Pipe banging noise and dropping pipe noise and a really loud dropping pipe noise. This is a noise we always have. Always is something. Whoa, that was loud. There is always something extra on top. There is always something on top of the engine noise, like noise. There is always something on top. There is an excavator moving. There is pipe banging. There is like high pitched sounds. Train like braking, like a train that brakes sound. And it's the drilling sound. Then it's the water truck. Yesterday the water truck was revving pretty high in front of our property. The green water truck. It comes every hour, my estimation.